What's going on YouTube? This is Team Shinobi coming back at you with another vlog. I recently picked up an awesome tow rig, and I am very excited to reveal it to you boys. Coming at you at the HQ. I just got the truck, still working out. There's a lot more vlogs to come with the truck, and I hope you enjoy. Hello doggos. Now I picked this truck up for about 2,500 bucks. Turned out to be really nice, and it's a manual, which is awesome. No e-brake right now, no horn, but that's all part of the vlog. I don't even have seat belts. I have the seat belts itself, but I don't have the buckles right now, so I'm gonna have to figure out something with that. But I mean, it's not bad of a truck. It's very clean for what it is. The rockers are pretty nice. The floors are probably the worst gist of this truck. The floors are gotta be worked on. I do gotta put some other stuff in this truck, but I picked this up for a hell of a deal considering it's only 96,000 miles. So I'm very fortunate to get this truck for this price. It will need some work. As you saw, I told you before. I mean, everything's there. Glove box is good. Seats aren't actually in half bad shape other than where I'm sitting. The mirrors will have to be put back on. I lost the rear view the other night. I got it right here, it just fell off. And the other mirror is kind of off right now because the way it was mounted was very poor. This mirror over here is pretty poorly mounted as well, but I think I'm going to leave it because it's fine for now. Got the center console armrest, whatever you want to call it. Got a Bluetooth on it. AC actually cranks very well. A little bit noisy though. I'm gonna have to get under there and look at the audio. But hey, there you go. Hey, you. Stop it, you dog. What are you doing under a truck? What, are you crawling under there now? You want to work on it, huh? But anyways, I got a light bar switch for the light bar. And yes, it is a 7.3 IDI, non-turbo, but that's something I'm gonna add future probably. Is a nice turbo for this beautiful IDI motor. I mean, it's very clean, brand new alternator. I mean, it's a solid truck. Right now I got the battery out because charging it, because the batteries are shot. I'm gonna have to pick up new ones and install them for a future vlog. Everything's beautiful. The clutch is very stiff on these trucks. Stiffer than my buddy's race car, which I find hilarious. Bed's actually in beautiful shape too. I just gotta clean some junk out of it. It was horrid earlier, but yeah, there you go. I have the spares, all 6 and everything, so hope you enjoy.